Are you struggling with fixing your zipper? Watch this video till the end. This is a stone zipper. We all know how a stone zipper is. So I'm fixing it on the first part of my zipper allowance, and that's the end of the first part. Now I need to flip it over to the other side, and I started from the bottom, taking it all the way from the down part across the waist and to the upper neck area. Now you need to check if it's equal at the joining. Kindly let me know if you find this video helpful. Stay on this page, share my videos, drop a beautiful comment, and watch out for more videos. Thank you. Bye.